Hello guys, welcome back to Witcher Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix crashing or not starting on Tiny Tina's assault on Dragon Cave and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. You just have to follow these simple instructions in order to fix the issue. The first one is you just have to go over here in the Steam. You have to right click on the game and you have to go to properties, go over here on local files, and you have to go for verify integrity of game file, and you just have to wait for it. As you can see, I don't have the game, but I'm going to show you have to do the same procedure over here. So in order to fix the issue up, and once it is done, it is done. So next one is all about you have to go to the game once again and you have to go over here on local files, and you will be having an option called browse, which means it will be showing you where the game is installed. So you just have to go for it. And as you can see, this is the game. Imagine that this is the game and you just have to right click and you have to go for properties. So you have to select the game, right click and go to properties. Now from here you just have to go to compatibility, and from here, as you can see, that what you have to change is you have to disable full screen optimization, go for change high DPI setting, enable this one and go for OK and apply and go for OK. This is what you have to do. And done with it, and still the issue is not fixed, we have to go for the third one. So third one is all about you have to go over here and you have to search for firewall and network protection on your Windows, and you have to go over here and there will be an option called allow an app through firewall. You just have to click on this. Now from here you have to select the app. So here before that you just have to click on change settings and you have to go for allow another app and you have to browse the respective app. Okay, so in order to do, you just have to go for D. Now from here you just have to select where the game is installed. It depends on you. So you just have to select the game and you have to add this up. Once it is added, you just have to go for OK and you have to close this, do a restart, and see most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.